Hi Pitmasters, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be making delicious chicken gyros. And as always, the first thing that we're going to do is fire up our barbecue. We're going to be using Kamado Joe's big block. We'll light it up. So we're going to marinate our chicken. We're going to do it, of course, with a little bit of Greek yogurt. Half a liter to be specific. So to the half liter of Greek yogurt, we're going to add 200 milliliters of olive oil. Then we're going to add 100 milliliters of lemon juice. Tablespoon of salt. And then 1 clove of fine chopped garlic. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of paprika powder, a tablespoon of coriander, a tablespoon of cumin, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're gonna mix that up. Then in goes a kilo of chicken thighs. Now that this is properly mixed, we're going to set it in the fridge for at least half an hour. And in the meantime, we are going to prepare our tzatziki. We're going to grate our cucumber and we're going to catch it in a sieve so we can press out the water. And now we're going to press our cucumber and get out all of that juice because we don't need it for our tzatziki. So to the cucumber we're going to add 500 milliliters of Greek yogurt and the juice of half a lemon. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of fine chopped parsley and a tablespoon of fine chopped dill. Add a tablespoon of salt to that and some fresh ground black pepper. Mix that up. We're going to transfer this to a smaller bowl. And then we're going to set it into the fridge until we're ready to eat. So the Big Joe is up to temperature. We're going to close the top vent and set it to cook at around 180 degrees Celsius. So we'll put in the deflector plates. Put in the grill grates and close the lid. So here's the trick to making grilled gyros without a rotisserie. We take a big onion like this, cut off the top, cut off a big chunk of the bottom, then remove the outside skin. And then we're going to put a skewer into the center of the onion. So now you get where I'm going, right? I'm putting it in a bowl. And then I'm going to take my chicken piece by piece and skewer it onto our onion. Mine is getting a bit wobbly, so I'm just gonna put in another stick. Straight, stable, that's exactly what we're looking for. Now we're going to put it on the grill and roast it. So the tzatziki has been in the fridge for 2 hours and we're just going to do a quick taste test. That's definitely tasty. So let's start carving our chicken. So we're going to carefully slice off the outside. There we go. Now as you can see, I didn't have the original setup, so what happened was during the cook my gyros shifted. So what I did, I put 3 skewers in to make sure it was stable again. I'm taking out the onion and I'm putting a new onion in. Putting a side skewer in to make sure it's stable. One more from the other side. And it can go back on the grill. We're quickly going to toast this Lebanese flatbread. Put it on the grill just for a few minutes to heat it up and toast it a little bit. Some tzatziki on top. And this is going to be very, very tasty. Wrap it up and enjoy. Well, it looks amazing, but the only way to find out if it tastes good is to actually bite into it. Wow, the flavors are amazing as well. It turned out absolutely delicious. You really get that strong barbecue flavor. If you guys enjoyed this barbecue recipe video, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, or even better, visit my Patreon page. I'll put the link down below in the video description, and I hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk!